Today we're going to do a lesson on how to convert improper fractions and mixed numbers. Before we begin our lesson, let's review what an improper fraction and a mixed number is. Can you identify which is an improper fraction and which is a mixed number? 2 1/4 is called a mixed number. A mixed number is made of two numbers, the whole number and a fraction. The whole number in this case is 2, and the fraction is 1/4. 12/3 or 12/3 is called an improper fraction. An improper fraction is when you have the numerator is larger than the denominator. Now let's begin our lesson. This is a mathematical representation of a mixed number and an improper fraction. As a mixed number, we can express this as 1 3/9. We say that this is 1 3/9 because if you look at the first figure, each part in the square is shaded in. And if all the parts are shaded in, we say that it is equal to one whole. So this is equal to 1. If we look at the second figure, we see that only 3 parts of the square are shaded in. And we know as a fraction, we express that as 3/9. 3 parts are shaded out of 9 total parts. Well, how do we go from expressing 1 3/9 to an improper fraction? The first thing we do when we want to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction is we multiply the denominator, which is 9, times the whole number, which is 1. 9 times 1 is 9. And then we add 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. Our denominator stays the same. So our answer, or our improper fraction, is 12/9, which is 12/9. So 1 3/9 is equal to 12/9, which 1 3/9 is our mixed number and 12/9 is our improper fraction. In this example, we have converted our mixed number to an improper fraction. Let's try another example. This time, we're going to convert from an improper fraction to a mixed number. To begin with, let's express this mathematical picture as an improper fraction. The first thing you'll notice is that each rectangle is divided into 8 parts. 8 parts equals one whole rectangle. So we're going to say that 8 is our denominator. Our denominator is the sum or total number of parts. And the next thing we do to get the numerator is to count the number of shaded parts. The numerator is always the number of shaded parts. So we have 8 here plus 8 in this rectangle plus 4 in this rectangle. 8 plus 8 plus 4 gives us 20. So our improper fraction is 20/8. Now we're going to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. As our fraction line tells us, we're going to divide. In this case, we're going to divide 20 divided by 8. Now we're going to divide. The numerator, which is the 20, is going to be our dividend. And the 8, which is our denominator, is going to be our divisor. So 8 into 20 goes 2 times. We put the 2 over the 0, and we multiply 2 times 8, which is 16, and we subtract, giving us 20 minus 16 gives us a difference of 4. To create a mixed number, the 2 is our whole number. The remainder, which is 4, becomes the numerator, which is the top number of the fraction. And the 8, which was our divisor, becomes the denominator. So our mixed number will be 2 4/8. So we can say 20 over 8 equals 2 4/8. 28 is our improper fraction, and 2 4/8 is our mixed number. And this is how we convert improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper fractions. Thank you.